Hey you guys, so here's your guys' help video of add, subtract, rational expressions, okay? So gonna go over the odd ones with you guys so that it encourages you guys to, hopefully you can do the rest and feel confident in your guys' skills, okay? So let's do number one. So the whole objective of today's lesson was to make sure both of the denominators are the same. Because if they're the same, then that enables you guys to add or subtract the numerators from each other. Now, obviously for this one, you guys, they're both the same, so we could just add the numerators together. So common denominator 3. 5x plus x, you guys, is 6x, and then the minus 4. The top cannot simplify anymore, so that is going to be your guys' answer. Number 3, same common denominator, so we can just add the numerators together, you guys. So we got x on the bottom, the 8 and the 9 combined, so we're going to have x plus 17. And there's nothing else we can do with the top, so that is what we're going to have. Number 5, same denominator, so we can just add the two of them together, you guys, the two numerators. So 3x plus 3x is 6x, and then negative 6 plus 6, you guys, is 0. So we just have that. I don't know what that thing was, but it's okay. So we got 6x all over 24x. Now here is where you guys can simplify. The x's cancel, and we can divide top and bottom by 6 to get 1 over 4. 6 divided by 6 is 1, 24 divided by 6 is 4. Number 7, they both have a same common denominator, so we can put this all over x plus 4. Now here's the thing. Do you guys see this minus sign or subtraction sign? You got to distribute it to both of these. So what we really have is 2x plus 3 minus x plus 7. So the 2x and the negative x combine, you guys, so that is x. 2x minus x is 1x, which is just x, and then 3 plus 7, you guys, is plus 10. So x plus 10 all over x plus 4. Number 9, they have the same common denominator, so we're going to have 2 all over times x minus 9, and then 3 plus 9, you guys, is just 12. Now, we can divide top and bottom by 2, you guys, so we're going to get 6 all over x minus 9. 11, now again, there's a subtraction sign, you guys, so you got to distribute it to both of these. Same denominators, so we can subtract them from each other. So all over x plus 5. 4x plus 7 minus x, negative times a negative 6 is positive 6. And then combine like terms. 4x minus x, you guys, is 3x. 7 plus 6, you guys, is 13. All over x plus 5. And we can't simplify the top, so that's where we're going to have to just keep it. Number 13, you guys distribute this to both because it's a minus sign. Now, do you guys see this? They're the same, but you do have to factor this just in case the numerator later on might factor. So this is a difference of squares factoring, you guys. So square root of x squared is x. Square root of 64 is 8. So x plus 8 times x minus 8. That's the difference of squares factoring right there. Now let's simplify the top. 5x plus 1, negative sign times 4x is negative 4x, negative sign times negative 7 is plus 7. So combine like terms up top, rewrite the denominator, you guys. 5x minus 4x, you guys, is x. 1 plus 7 is 8. And as you can see, there's an x plus 8 on top and bottom, you guys, so you guys cancel that. And if you guys cancel, then you're just going to be left with a 1 all over x minus 8. So you always have to factor the denominator, you guys, just in case this might happen, right? Just in case you might need to cancel something from top and bottom. Okay, 15. Now both of these are the same, you guys, but one thing I notice is that you should probably factor that stuff. So So 4, -5, -4, and -1. So it's going to be x minus 4 and x minus 1. And since both of these are same, that enables us for us to add these two. 3x minus 2x, you guys, is, what is that? X. And then -4 plus 3, you guys, is -1. And what do you know? There's an x minus 1 from top and bottom, you guys, so we can cancel. So 1 over x minus 4. Okay. 17. So both of these they're the same. So same denominator, you guys. So both of those can be factored by difference of squares. So x plus 3 times x minus 3. And now we gotta distribute this minus sign to both of these, right? So 3x minus 2x, you guys, that just gives you x. -8 plus a 5, you guys, which would be -3. And the x minus 3's cancel. So we're just left with 1 over x plus 3. Okay. Okay, now we get into some interesting problems. We have to get both of those to be the same denominator. So let's find the LCD. So the least common denominator between these two, you guys, is 3x. So we both have to get them to be 3x. So we don't do anything with this because it's already a 3x, right? But this, you guys, to get that to be 3x, we gotta multiply top and bottom by 3. So we're gonna have all over 3x, 2 plus, what's 4 times 3? 12. And then 2 plus 12, you guys, is 14 all over 3x. 21. Okay, these are not the same, so we have to make them the same in order to combine like terms. So the least common denominator, you guys, is 7x squared. So we have to get both of them to be 7x squared. Well, this one's fine, but this one, you guys, we gotta multiply top and bottom by 7x for it to get to 7x squared, right? So all over 7x squared. 7x times 3, you guys, is 21x plus 6. Can't simplify that, so that's going to be our answer. Okay, 23. Okay, so the LCD for 23, you guys. Let's see. So there's a 2 and a 5, which are different, so multiply those together, which is 10. They both share an x, so which one's higher? X to the third. They both share a y, which one's higher? Y to the third. So we have to get both of these denominators to match up with 10x third, y third. So we can multiply this one by 2y squared to top and bottom, because then this will match up with that. For this one, we should multiply top and bottom by 5x, because if we multiply this by 5x, you guys, then it'll match up to be that. Okay, so all of this will all be over 10x to the third, y to the third. 2y squared times 6, you guys, is 12y to the second. And -1 times 5x, you guys, is -5x. Can't simplify the top, so that is what we will be stuck with. Okay, now 25, you guys. Now the LCD for this one is just y. The only denominator we see is y. So remember, you guys, this is really over 1. So to get this denominator to be the same, multiply top and bottom by y. So all of it's going to be over y. Y times 2x, you guys, is 2xy plus x. Can't simplify the top, so that's what we're going to have, right? Okay, and hopefully this helped you guys out. And remember to check your guys' answers in the scrolling down so that you guys can see if you guys get them all correct. All right, good luck, everybody. Peace.